If you're like us and love hummingbirds, then this is the feeder for you. This is the Perky Pet Hummingbird feeder, and it's an elegant copper. Isn't that pretty? There's 4 flowers, and the hummingbirds just love them. This is actually our second one we've purchased, and it fits up to 12 ounces. There's also this ledge around it for the birds to perch on while they're drinking. And it has a very easy to open, wide mouth, which makes it very easy to fill as well as clean. All you have to do is put your favorite nectar in, and then you just close it up. Very easy. Now come join me as we install this outside. I'm so excited.